This training unit looks at the PTC 470 and PTC 640 tile cutters from Bosch. The Bosch tile cutters are the perfect alternatives for quickly and easily cutting tiles when it has to be done quietly, cleanly, and without electricity. Both tile cutters are suitable for cutting up to 12 mm thick indoor and outdoor tiles. Precise cuts are made easier by the two-piece scale and the parallel and angle guide. The PTC 470 cuts all ceramic tiles up to a width of 470 mm at 90 degrees and up to 330 mm at 45 degrees. The PTC 640 cuts tiles up to a width of 640 mm at 90 degrees and 450 mm at 45 degrees. The tile is placed flush against the guide edges at the front and fixed using the clamping rail. Thanks to its integrated spring mechanism, the rail automatically adapts to the thickness of the tile. Then the actual cutting begins. To ensure a clean start, the cutting wheel is applied slightly behind the tile edge and is pulled forwards over the tile. Then you slide the cutting wheel over the entire tile, applying light pressure to it as you do so. At the end of the cut, you can safely and easily break the tile, all in one step. When making 45-degree cuts, you should not apply the breaking stamp right at the edge. On soft wall tiles, the cutting wheel must not be pressed on too hard, and the breaking stamp should only be pressed down lightly. Otherwise, there is a risk of the tile breaking outside of the intended break line, and it can quickly lead to an untidy break. The PTC 640 also has a stop for making series of cuts quicker and easier to do, and support extensions for larger tiles. The cutting wheel has high precision and a long lifetime due to its titanium coating. If the cutting wheel becomes damaged, it can be quickly replaced in only a few moves. When the tile cutters are secured for transport, you can conveniently carry them by the handles. Now have fun with the PTC 470 and PTC 640 tile cutters from Bosch.